Hi,
Hello.
Mr. Ramesh. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Fine. That's absolutely amazing. It is
And
really nice to see you. How was your day today?
yeah, as usual, because we are spending our holidays nowadays, and not only that, just going here. It is the same thing as your area. The corona is spreading very
Yes,
quickly, and every day and every time, just we are getting a phone and receive a bad news.
definitely. Yes. People are asking for oxygen cylinders and concentrators, medicines.
No
The
words,
time
no
is
words.
true. Very true. Very, very bad situation. But I hope you are safe. Everybody around you is safe for now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is
But
absolutely great. Yes.
yesterday, one of my colleague and likes my brother, he just
Mm-hmm. He passed away. I'm so
yeah,
sorry to hear that.
yes, his age is only 37, 38.
So, was it because of coronavirus?
Yeah,
That is so sad. This is the worst part about this disease because it is targeting all types of people. Everybody, even the rich, the poor, everybody around the country is
yeah, yeah,
unsafe.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Well, uh, so let's not try to dwell about this in today's session,
Yeah,
and
no problem.
let's lift our moods up, think of something happier and something funnier.
Yeah, yeah,
Because the good thing today is that the topic of our discussion is going to be recalling a funny incident.
yeah,
So, do you have any funny incident that you recall and you'd like to share?
yeah. Mm. Have been so many memorable moments or funny incidents in our uh, what I shall say in our childhood.
Mm-hmm.
And after going through the sessions, I'm trying to recollect. But
Take your
one,
time.
yeah, yeah, one was there in our native when I was in class 9 or 10.
Mm-hmm.
At that time in our native village there was no electricity at all.
Okay.
Yeah, and what happened with us? One of our cousin, she, always she used to with me in everywhere.
Okay.
And one day, what happened with us? That day was the full moon day,
Okay.
and if there was no electricity at all, we used to enjoy the full moon day from our house in those days.
Yes.
And at that moment, my cousin, he was in the backside of the window, and
Okay.
he just enjoying the full moon day from our house. And what I was done at that moment, with the help of my friends, and I myself wrapped by a white dhoti.
Okay.
And suddenly, I appeared in front of the window from a
Uh-huh.
mango tree, just like a ghost. And just you imagine that moment, there was no electricity at all.
Mm-hmm.
We got our electricity in the year of 1999.
All right.
Yeah, before that, we studied our all study system will go through a hurricane or lantern, you can
All right.
say
So
anything. Yeah,
basically, your studies, your education would happen through lanterns and
yeah, yeah,
other
yeah.
candles and all those
Candles.
sources.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. But
Okay.
nowadays, all the students they can't imagine if it is possible at all.
True. Very true.
And what happened at that very moment? Our cousin, she just started stammering and ran away from the window and stated all to our auntie.
Oh my God.
And what after that, what happened with us, with me, I don't explain it because a stick of wooden stick just behind my back with my parents.
Oh my God. That is
Yeah,
crazy. But I'm
but
sure it would
but
have been very funny at that
yeah,
point
yeah.
of time.
But I can say
Mm-hmm.
those days are were my golden days.
True.
In
Very
spite
true.
of there was no electricity, there was no facilities in our village. In spite of that, after completing my education, I am here,
Hmm. True. Very true.
isn't it? But
Definitely.
those days were golden days, I must say. Those days were
Wow.
golden days.
So nice to hear. Such a nice story. And and this is the first time I'm seeing that, the person you dressed up as a ghost and the person got scared. I tried this with my sister once, it did not work. She did not get scared. She knew it was me immediately. And then she said, please, brother, you sit down. You are not capable of doing this. So, are you still in touch with those friends, with those members?
Yeah,
Of
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice. That's very nice. So, do you recall these
He-
moments when you sit
Yes,
together?
he is now working as a teacher in a school, high school.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's absolutely amazing. So, a very nice story, a very funny story. And a very good news for you is that throughout the story, I like one thing about you, which I really want you to cultivate as a habit, and you already have, is
yeah.
that you use your hands a lot. Okay, and
Oh,
your
yeah,
hands, they draw the listener towards you even more than the story and the expressions,
yeah,
because it's almost like you are trying to convey a point, not just by your face, not just by your words, but you are actually very involved in the story, which is
yeah.
very nice. It shows qualities of a confident speaker. Okay, so now let's move forward towards some.
But
Yes, yes, yes.
I can say one thing. I am pretended that I'll be one day, with the help of our teachers, I
Hmm.
must be a fluent speaker.
You already are. All we are doing now is just polishing you, teaching you some new words, practicing your basic vocabulary and all that. Because you are already, you see, you make little to no mistake with tenses.
Yeah,
Pronunciation is absolutely correct. And you remember the first trick that we talked about, to think a little before speaking. I can see that you are actively practicing that.
yeah,
So keep going with it. Very nice. I'm really happy to see all this progress that you are making at this rate. And yeah, so don't worry. And yeah, one important thing about language as a whole, any language, is that it is just a tool to convey information, tool to
yeah,
convey emotions. English is also one of those tools. So the good thing is that you focus a lot on information, that
yeah,
whatever I'm saying, even
yeah,
if I fumble a little, I will not stop, because the information is my key. That is
yeah,
what I have to convey.
yeah.
Very, very nicely handled. And yeah, cool. So now I will give you some words that are not very usually used,
Yeah,
but are obviously important.
yeah.
Okay. So here is the first one.
I know that.
You know this one, all right? What does
Yeah,
this mean?
giggle. Giggle means frequently started to, what I say, smile.
Laughing.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. I
Small
know that.
laughs or smiling, yes, that is giggling.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct. Can you make a short sentence with this word?
After hearing the incident, he just started to giggle.
Yes, perfect. After hearing the incident, he just started to giggle. Correct. So here is the next word.
Grin. I don't
Yes.
know.
Okay.
I
So
want your help.
grin, right? No worries. So grin is a wide smile. So suppose
Yeah,
we are talking and you are smiling, and that is a wide smile. So I will say that
yeah.
you are grinning.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, that is
yeah.
grin. So do you know can you make a sentence?
Grin. But smile. after receiving the certificate from a teacher, he's
Mm-hmm.
just give to her teacher a grand smile.
Okay, so after receiving the certificate from the teacher, he
Yeah,
gave the teacher a grin.
yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
I got
grin
it.
already means smile. So you
Yeah,
don't have
yeah,
to say
yeah,
smile. Okay, cool,
yeah.
cool.
I got it. I got
No
it.
worries at all. Absolutely amazing, very nicely handled. Now, yeah, here is a good one. Reminisce.
Oh, reminisce. I know it. I know it.
Take your time, no worries.
Reminisce. I know it. I read out today.
Mm-hmm.
I read out today. Reminisce. Want your help? But I today I
All
read out it in the
No
morning.
worries, no worries. I will help you refresh that memory. So, reminisce means talking about some old memory, some fond memory that you may have. Okay. So, yeah, some experience with a lot of pleasure, with happiness.
Yeah,
Okay. So, for example, right now you are reminiscing about the old funny story that happened in your past.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that is reminisce. Now, this word can be used in a lot of forms. Reminisced, reminiscing, and reminisce are some of the forms. Can you make a sentence with this word?
Mm. I am reminiscing the old memory after saying the story to my teacher.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Also, let me help you construct that sentence even more profoundly. You will say, I was reminiscing about the old memory.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, when I was talking to my teacher. So we reminisce about things.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah,
cool, very nicely handled. So also let me, okay, now we are done with the vocabulary for the day. We have a lot of words, but I'm sure you are, yeah, you will be able to handle all of them. No worries at all. So what we do now is, we will revise some prepositions.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah,
prepositions, as you already know, are words that tell us the position of something.
yeah,
Okay, so I am sitting on top of the chair. Okay, so that will tell me my position relative to this chair. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
cool. So what we do is, this is my pen, this is my arm. You will, or my hand. You will tell me the position of this pen with respect to my hand. Okay,
yeah.
let's begin. And I will also give you one example to start with. The pen is above my hand. Okay, one
The
example.
pen is on the table.
Yes, the pen is on the table. What
Yeah,
about now?
the is
Could you repeat? Could you repeat? The
the
internet got cut off.
pen is on my palm.
Correct. Oh, this is hand, and this is palm.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. So
yeah,
it is on my hand. What about
yeah.
now?
Under my hand, under my
Yes,
palm.
yes, under. So
Yeah,
correct. What about now? What if there's some distance between my hand and my pen?
below my hand,
Correct. Absolutely correct. What about now?
front of my hand.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Very nicely handled. So the thing is that most people, they confuse on and above. So when I say there is a roof above my head, that means there is obviously some distance between the roof and the head. Okay.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I usually say there is hair on my head.
yeah,
So that means that there is no distance between the hair and the head. Okay. This is
yeah,
something, this is just a small trick, something that we use a lot. With this, we come to the end. I have a small suggestion for you,
yeah,
which is to watch some more English movies.
yeah,
Do you watch them in your free time? If you have free time, just watch anything. With your kids, you can watch Disney movies. Kids
yeah,
love Disney movies, and they use a lot of good pronunciation with good words.
yeah.
Okay, I highly encourage that, because now we need to get to some complex and more profound sentences. Okay,
But I usually watch some cartoons.
you watch cartoons. Nice. Which
Yeah,
ones?
uh, Ena Lalsa.
Okay, okay, okay. These are very new ones. I can
Yeah,
see that.
yeah.
Well, keep that going. That is exactly what I was talking about. A few movies that I can recommend to you. Oh, wait. Yeah. One of them is The Lion King. The other is
I
Finding
know that.
Nemo. How
Yeah,
about
I know
Finding
that.
Nemo?
Yeah, I
You know
know
this
that.
one as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, how about Finding Dory?
Okay.
So the thing is, Finding Dory it came after Finding Nemo. So it is basically Finding Nemo Part 2.
But
Okay?
after your suggestion, nowadays I am started to read a more
Yes.
in
So
the morning.
that is also good. That is
Yeah,
also good. So I just highly encourage you to keep going like this. And that's all for the day. Thank you so much, Mr. Amit, for joining. It was great talking.
yeah.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Yeah, have a great day.